Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that work in 2019 and 20. So today we will cover model number 3, paid click earning methods that work, pure Black Hat. Today we will cover lecture number 10, how to buy daily new AdSense ad click with real IP address. How you can buy. I will show you. This is the short video. I go to my campaign and what I need if I want to more clicks. Then I go to this campaign and you can check here. I have run this campaign for 200 people and I need 200 clicks. Okay, this campaign is now finished. 200 people already click on my website. So if I need new click from new IP address, then I need to click here, add position. Okay, add position, and here I need to keep, for example, 100 new position. And I want to click here, add position and restart job. If I click here, that those 200 people not coming to my campaign who complete work on this campaign. These all 100 people coming new IP address, and I have got 300 click from different IP address. All people are new, and one person coming only one time and click on my website ad, and second time they not will be come again. So this is the short trick how you can get daily new click on your Google AdSense ads. Here you can add some more people and click here, add position and jobs. I go to back and I have show you another campaign, for example Facebook campaign. I have run this campaign for 150 people and 86 people are complete this job after I have stopped this campaign because my website have problem something, so I have stopped this campaign. And this campaign I was run for Facebook visit website and click one. I have run click campaign like this. Go to this Facebook page and click latest post. You will redirect to this website. Visit 10 pages and post. Click one banner ad and visit any other pages in ads website. It's important. Stay few minutes. VPN and proxy not allowed. Date and time must be visible in your screenshot. This is my old campaign, and I have write the for proof link to screenshot of your browser history. Date and time must be visible. Blog link you have visited. Name of ad website, not link. I get only name of ad website. Some people are sending me link of website, ad website, but no need to click add link. I no need. I need only name of ad website. So this is my old campaign. Why I run this type of campaign from Facebook? Because this is my new AdSense account. I have buy only in $50, and what I'm doing, this website are not rank on Google, and I need earn money fast and fast, so I can't wait for it. So what I'm doing, I have shared some post on my Facebook page, and after that I have link my Facebook page here. Go to my Facebook page and click on latest post and go to my website and visit 10 post and one click ad. So I think this is technique I have used before 3 months, but now Google is very powerful. Now you cannot use this type of campaign from Facebook traffic. So I suggest you as a teacher always run campaign from search engine, because if traffic coming from search engine, Google not have any problem. If you send traffic from Facebook page, if you send traffic from Pinterest, if you send traffic from Twitter, then your Google AdSense account get ad limit problems. Now you know many people are facing the ad limit problem. Google send love letter and they write your account has been ad limit. So we will review your account. Once your traffic quality is better, we will start again ads. So this is very big problem of ad limit. So you need to send only traffic from search engine. This is my old campaign. So you no need to copy these campaign. I have run campaign for Android app and YouTube video, Pinterest and Facebook page. Always I send on traffic to my app or traffic to my website and get click on AdSense, because I want to earn more money from Google AdSense. So these are my last campaign, and here if you add some new position, new people are coming to your campaign and new people going to your website, and daily you will get new clicks from new IP address, and that click will be accept on Google AdSense account. So these I have run 100 plus campaign here. You can check 100 plus campaign I have run. But what I was doing before, I have run, for example, I have run one campaign for 200 people for 200 click. If complete my campaign, I add new people on existing campaign. I know not running again same campaign, because I need new people always to going my website and click on Google AdSense ad. So this is the powerful strategy. Here you can get daily new click from daily new IP address. This is the Pico Worker. This is the best website in the world for Google AdSense black hat earning method. And second website I have always using Rapid Worker. This is the best website. I think many people are active here, but Pico Worker has many more people. Here thousand people are working in part time in Pico Worker. This is I think super hit website. And the second website is Rapid Worker, because Rapid Worker is old website, but this website not have more traffic, more worker. They don't have more traffic, and they don't have more workers. So you can check here. You can run your ads campaign. These two websites allowed to you can run campaign for Google AdSense ads. So I hope you can get this trick for get daily new click on your Google AdSense account. Thank you very much.